my name is Kim Yeon. This time I would like to speak about something under the title Look at the Birds in the Air. These are pictures of birds that I took myself. This bird's name is common shelduck, and this bird is Kentish plover, spot-billed duck, and gull. The last bird is geese, and these pictures too. This is how many species of birds live in the natural world. However, these birds cannot live by themselves alone. The birds are these birds are protected by God. God values even a very baby birds. God in the Bible it says God loves us the most than these birds. In Matthew 6:26 it says, "Look at the birds in the air, neither plant them nor gather them in warehouses, but your fathers keep them, and they are not more precious than this." And Luke 12:7 it says, "Don't be afraid, for you have counted the hairs of your head. You are more precious than many sparrows." Remember this and tell everyone that God loves us the most. Thank you for listening.